Good day, everyone. Thank you so much. I told you that I'll be bringing updates concerning our broiler bed. Yesterday, I don't know what went wrong with my phone, so I was unable to do the video for you people. Thank you for watching our videos. So here, I told you these are the broilers. They arrived yesterday. You can see they are so lively. See them, they are 150 in total. We have 75 up and we have 75 down. So yesterday we were only able to give them just a drop. That is this is what we give them yesterday. Though I've removed it from the sachet, I pour it here to keep it safe. We gave them only glucose to give them energy. Then coming from the astro could be stressful at times. Then because of the transportation, because of the distance where they are being brought, we order them right from Ibadan. So we order them from Ibadan. So I told you that the reason why we are doing it like this, today is day 2. Sorry, I'm sorry to